Hello, Jeff Cowan here. Thank you for watching and listening. Did you know that the average car dealership out there today invests over $13,500 per month per rooftop in technologies for their service department? Did you also know that 90% of the time that technology does not deliver the results that the selling vendor promised they would? Why is that? Well, if you want to know why, come to this workshop, because in this workshop we will talk about multi-point inspections, texting, emailing, video. We will talk about online reservations, business development centers, and all the other technologies you have, and I will explain to you why it's not working for you now, and then I will show you how to make it work for you now, and not only work, but deliver higher results than even the selling vendor told you it would. And you're going to find the solutions to be really, really simple. If you want the highest sales numbers, you want perfect survey scores, you want customer retention in the 80% range, you want 92 to 95% effective labor rate, and you want to eliminate heat cases forever, and use your technology that you have now to make that happen for you, come and see me and I will give you all the answers you need. If you're coming to this convention because you're looking for the latest and greatest in technologies for your service team, come to this workshop first. You will learn what to buy and not to buy. You'll learn how to use it and how not to use it. My name's Jeff Cowan. I can't wait to see you at the workshop, and until then, have a great day.